Hi kids, today we learn about A. A. A is for apple. A is for ant. And now we will color and read and write A. Apple. A. A is for apple. Now we write A and we read A. A is for ant. A is for apple. Now we use different colors for A. A. A is for apple. A is for ant. Now we will draw an apple. Now we will draw an ant. Now we color the apple in the apple. Apple. And the apple color is red. A is for apple. A is for apple. A is for apple. A is for apple. Now we color ant. An ant. A. A. A is for apple. A is for ant. Now we find A. We find A. A. No. A. No. A. Yes. A. A is for apple. A is for ant. Now we circle A. Next, where is A? This one is A. No. No. A. 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 Now we circle A, letter A. Now we again find A. This one, no. This, no. Yes. A. A. A is for apple. A is for ant. Now we circle A. Bye kids. Counting in numbers and words and some shapes. O N E 1. O-N-E 1. 1. D W O 2. 2. 3. T H R double E 3. T H R E E 3. 3. 4. F O U R 4. 4. 5. F I V E 5. 5. Now we draw circle. Circle. Star. Triangle. Now we will color shapes. Star. Circle. Triangle. One. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. Circle, star, triangle. Bye bye kids. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.